What's going on YouTube? Today's video with the brand new Govee lantern floor lamp. We're going to take a look at it in this video. First, we'll start off with the unboxing experience when it comes to this lamp. Now this comes in two different colors. It has a white and a black model. We have the white model here available. It retails for $130, and let's go ahead and take a look at it. So unboxing it, we have everything needed. We have the soft diffusion, little marshmallow, I guess you could say. You have that on top, and then you also have all of your accessories such as your user manual and user guides. You also do have your power supply and all 4 rods for different height adjustments, and we'll go into this video on showcasing each height adjustment. And then you also do have the weighted base. Because it's a weighted base, it's going to be able to not wobble. It's more premium feeling, and this is actually like really good quality overall. So when we go ahead and set this up for the first time, it's super easy. Like I said, you're gonna have, depending on however high you want it to be, and I'll have the measurements for each of these levels. You just screw it onto the actual lantern portion itself, and then from there you can go ahead and feed the cable through directly inside the rod. And depending on when you want to stop, whether it's 1, 2, 3, or the 4 settings that you can height adjust, you can go ahead and attach the rod to the base itself while still keeping, the cable all the way through. This does have cable management routing as well, so whenever you do place it on the floor, it's not going to warp, bend the cable, or any tearing whatsoever, and it keeps it hidden and nice. So that's pretty much how it's going to be when it comes to the installation process. So the height adjustment goes as follows. The first level is 23 inches, 2 rods is 36 inches, 3 rods is 50 inches, and 4 rods a max height of 63 inches. In terms of some of the on-paper specs, we do have a lot of range for the Kelvin temperature from 1000, which is really warm, all the way up to 10,000, which is super cool. And it shows you that within, obviously, the soft glow. Now, this has probably the softest glow that you can get on like a lantern or like a lamp in general. Instead of having harsh lighting, you have conventional as well as ambient lighting combined together. And that's their new LuminBlend Plus technology, able to have multiple different colors displayed all at once rather than it just being one solid color. It's kind of like an RGBIC in a way, except it's actually having gradients. It's having different mapping for each LED. It's super good for the technology in general. This is your main selling point when it comes to buying this. That separates it from every other version available. Lighting is one of the most important, crucial things in terms of a home to make it more inviting, warm, fun, unique. Whether it's music mode, using music mode to make a better feel when you're listening to music, or whether you're watching a movie in general, you can have it pretty much feel as good as possible. So lighting is such a game changer in terms of having it in your day-to-day perspective. Now this gets up to 1400 lumens, which is insanely bright in terms of, brightness. So it's a really good brightness in terms of that, which I'm not really concerned about the brightness whatsoever, but it's still keeping it very soft to look at for the eyes. So you don't have to worry about, kids looking at it and then it's blinding them or whatever. So this, like I showed you in the beginning, this is like a very squishy, soft, not breakable material. So you don't have to worry about kids knocking it over. If they happen to, knock it over, you don't have to worry about it breaking. It's not a glass. It's not something that's super fragile. Because it's weighted, it's going to be a lot harder for them to knock over, but if they happen to, you'll be good to go. It does get a little dirty. If you were to drop it on the floor, it will collect like dust, lint, hair, and all that, but it's super easy to wipe off. Now, in terms of the actual design, obviously it's a really modern looking lamp. Curvy, I guess you could say. Really sleek and modern. This also does have a touch sensor on the top. You can press it absolutely anywhere on the top on the flat surface to turn it on and off. Just tap it once. If you press and hold it for a few seconds, you could cycle between different modes. By default, I think there is about 5 or 6 different modes that you can cycle between, but you can go ahead and remove as many as you want, add as many as you want to whatever you really want to set it up to. Whether it's, the DIY scenes or music modes or any dynamic type of gradient or anything you really want, you can pretty much, put it for that custom mode. Now this has over 100 different presets in terms of the app function. It has a lot of gradients, a lot of regular versions. And this also does have 16 different music modes, which I will feature right now. This is also equipped with not only the app, of course, like I mentioned, but it also has Matter, SmartThings enabled, as well as Alexa and your Google Home Assistant. So it's a variety of your smart home to be able to control it however you want. Overall, I've had this for about a month. We've been using it for a month. It actually replaced our previous corner floor lamp that we weren't always using because it was really hard to, use those little control boxes that are placed on the floor, which is super inconvenient. This one, you can easily control it. No one has to download an app, technically, except for me, but you could just tap it on the top. The control box is built in on the top, so I don't literally, and it's super intuitive, so it's something that you can easily learn. It's something that's easily accessible to people that want to be able to turn it on and off, change the mode, etc. So the ease of use of doing that is really nice. I know maybe some people might want to see maybe a remote in the future. I think that would be pretty cool to have, to be able to control your lamp. That way you don't have to always rely on the app, because if you happen to have, issues on the app or whatever the case may be, in my case, I don't have storage on my phone. So if I can't download the app or whatever, for whatever reason, a remote would be nice. I want to try to break away from using my phone. That's the only thing I would recommend, but this lamp is so good, but it adds a lot of character, adds a lot of personality and touch to any place. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave the QR code right here, or you can check it out in the description. But without further ado, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.